It's day 2. Everyone's gone. The snows came and that's it. Which is exactly what I would be saying if I had just survived the snowpocalypse. But more on that tomorrow. I thought I would take everyone here on a guided tour. It did snow last night. And the snowstorm that pretty much ravaged the north, hit all the northern states and, you know, Canada, blanket of white snow. I wanted to show you what it did here in Tennessee. The devastation that we've had to deal with. You know, we survived through floods here, and now we have all this snow to deal with. And I just wanted to show you how bad it is, so I'm going to take you outside here. As you'll notice, there's actually snow right outside the walkway here. All the way down to here. Ice lining the sidewalk. It's absolutely horrible. Horrible, horrible, horrible. All around this white stuff. Devastating as it may be to these southern people. They just don't know how to cope with that. There's an abominable snowman of sorts.
Nothing works anymore.
Nothing?
We're all dead.
We're all dead?
We're all dead.
That's pretty much what I was afraid of. Over here is a truck. It has managed to survive tornado, flood, accidents. But the question is, can it survive such a harsh and brutal environment as this that you see before you?
I tried to get into the truck, but the lock is frozen.
My God, the lock is frozen. It's horrible.
There's no way into it. You can't get in. We're all destined to die. It's that tragic.
That is tragic. That is well, you know, some people I don't really care for, so it's not that tragic. But this truck, if it was a horse, people would be telling me to take it out back and shoot it by now. But of course it's purple, and well, that would be a horse of a different color, so I'd probably just sell it.
We did try to shoot. Well, we were shooting at beer can.
Same principle. Anyways, that's the horrible, horrible environment that I've woken up to today, and I just hope that I'll be able to survive another day out here. Signing out.